Whew! Look at all these birds. Yeah, I just got some breakfast, lunch recently. I went to Jose Peppers. Now I'm hanging out by the lake. Probably gonna go shopping, get some batteries, possibly some fuses. Try to fix some small electrical issues with this car. This is a cool lake. Anyway, just updating the daily vlog post. It's Alfred AF here. Be sure to like and subscribe. As soon as I get 50 subscribers, I'll be able to post live, have live streams, and respond to comments. So thank you for the views, and have a good day.